Hello class, welcome back. So I hope you have finished your maths work by now. You have understood and completed the work also. Very good. Now moving towards the next class, and this is your EVS period. And what we have been doing in EVS? Environment studies में क्या कर रहे हैं? We have been learning about colors and shapes, isn't it? So in our previous class, we have done some work in our book with the matching work and all these things, and in our notebook I made you to write different colors name. You all have written those colors name also. Today we are going to write the name of different shapes in our notebook. So we have learned about colors, we have learned their names, their spellings, and today I am going to tell you how to write shapes name. So I am going to show you one shape at a time. You will identify that shape, and after that I will write one by one. We will write the name of all these shapes. Clear? So shall we start with our today's work? You all are ready for that? Okay. So this work needs to be done in your notebook. Clear? First see how ma'am is doing. After that I will give you time for your notebook work also. So the first shape is, yes, tell me, which shape is this? So earlier I showed you these puppets for your color identification, but now you have to identify the shapes here. Clear everyone? So can you tell me which shape is this? This is circle. The circle don't have any side. ये जहाँ से start होता है वहीं पर ही इसको finish होता है, वहीं पर ही इसकी line खत्म होती है. It don't have any side. So which shape is this? Circle shape. So we are going to write the name of this shape now. How we are going to do that? C I R C L E. Circle. C I R C L E. Circle. Clear everyone? This is how we will first identify a shape and then we will write the name of that shape. Clear? So one we have done, that is circle. So I will keep it aside now. Can you tell me which shape is this? It's a square. It's a square shape, and you know square has 4 sides. कितनी sides होती हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. So square has 4 sides, and all these 4 sides are equal. ये जो इसके 4 sides होते हैं ना, ये equal होते हैं. Then only we call it a square. So which shape is this? It's a square shape. So now I'm going to write square. S Q U A R E. Square. S Q U A R E. Square. Clear all? So square has 4 sides, और जो इसके 4 sides होते हैं वो equal होते हैं. They all are equal. Okay? Now moving to the next shape. Can you tell me which shape is this? It's a triangle. Yes. So can you tell me why we call it triangle? Because it has 3 sides and 3 angles. Tri means 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are its angles. And triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So triangle has 3 sides. Clear? So what we are going to write now? We are going to write triangle. Okay? So let's see. I am going to write triangle. So T. You have to touch this line. T R I A N G L E. So it's a triangle. T R I, tri, angle. So it's a triangle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes, it's a star shape. So, how we are going to write the name now? I'll show you. So, we are going to write star. S-N-T together, stir. And it's a R sound word. So, you have written this word when we learned R sound also. Stir, R, star. Clear all? Stir is blended with R and the name is star. Yes. Now, moving to a new shape. About this shape I have told you yesterday in your rhyme video. Little rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. Two are long, two are long, two are short. You remember this rhyme? So this is your rectangle shape. आप देख रहे हो? These two sides are long and these two sides are short. अब square और rectangle में what is the difference? Square also have four sides. Rectangle also have four sides. देखिए, I'll show you again. दोनों के four sides हैं, but the difference is square के all the four sides are equal और जो rectangle है their opposite sides are equal. दो long sides equal होते हैं और दो short sides equal होते हैं. Clear? So now we are going to write the word rectangle. G-L-E. So this is rectangle. R-E-C-T, rectangle. Rectangle. Clear all? So we have written circle, square, triangle. Then we have learned star, and this is rectangle. Okay. Now moving to the next shape. So can you tell me which shape is this? It's a diamond shape. Yes. So after watching this shape, काजू कतली याद आ जाती है ना एकदम से? कितनी टेस्टी होती है. I love to eat it. आप सबको अच्छी लगती है? मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So what is this? It's a diamond shape, and we are going to write diamond now. How to do that? D-I-A-M-O. Wait. So it's a diamond shape now. I'll just cover this hole first. So this is a diamond shape. How we have written it? D-I-A-M-O-N-D. What it means? Diamond. Clear? Diamond also have four sides. See? Diamond ke sides 1, 2, 3, 4. So diamond has four sides. Now, moving to the next shape. So can you tell me which can be the next shape? It's a oval shape. Yes. Which shape is this? It's oval. Circle की तरह इसकी कोई side नहीं होती, but it is not circle. ये थोड़ा सा long में होता है. We call it oval. What we call it? Oval. So now we are going to write it here. Oval. Oval. So how we have written? O-V-A-L. Oval. Clear all? We have written oval now. So let's see which all shapes we have written. Circle, square, triangle, star, rectangle, diamond, oval. Now it's time for the next shape. Here it comes. This one. Yes. What is this? It's a semicircle. Semicircle shape. So what we are going to do, we are going to write that semi and a little hyphen, then circle. So we all know how to write circle, as I told you. Uske pehle we have to write semi and then we will write circle, that is semicircle. So we have written semicircle shape also. Done. Now moving to the last shape. Can you tell me which shape is this? It's a heart shape. Yes. So which shape is this? Heart shape. So we are going to write heart now. Heart shape. Clear everyone? How we have done our work? Today we have done the shape's name and we are supposed to write all these shapes name in our notebook, but not like this. So how you have to do this work in notebook, I'll tell you, but let us first revise these names. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Square. Triangle. Star. Rectangle. Diamond. Oval. Semicircle. And the last one is heart shape. So you have understood? Now this work needs to be done in notebook. So do this work in notebook. How you have to do this work in your notebook? I'll just show you. So open your notebooks and get ready to do this work in notebook now. Okay? So class, now open your EVS notebook, the notebook in which you have written colors name. So today we are going to write shapes name. So open your EVS notebook and write today's date. So today is 30th July 2020. Okay, and this is your classwork. So just write CW here. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is shapes name. So first we'll write our topic, that is shapes name. So again I am telling you, write in the cursive format. कोई भी capitals में नहीं लिखेगा. You have to write like this. Now moving to our today's shape. So tell me which was the first shape we have learned. So you will write the numbers also. As I am writing numbers, आप numbers भी लिखोगे and then you will write the shape name. So the first shape we did is circle. Like this. Now with this name you will also draw the shape. So I am going to draw one circle like this. Clear? आपको shape भी ना इन्हीं 4 lines के बीच में बनानी है. You will not go beyond this. Okay? Now the next one. Number 2. So which was the second name we learned? Square. So I am going to write square. So this is square. And now what I told you about square? All the 4 sides of square are equal. So like this I have drawn a square shape here. Now the next one is triangle. So like this we'll write triangle. Now see, I have also committed a mistake. Don't go beyond the red line and make the correction like this. Done. Now we'll draw a triangle. So how many sides are there? I told you there are 3 sides in triangle. So like this we'll draw a triangle shape. Now the fourth one is rectangle. So this is rectangle. Now what is the difference between square and rectangle? Yes, uske bhi 4 sides and rectangle also have 4 sides, but the opposite sides are equal. Yes, all sides are not equal. So like this we'll draw rectangle. See, ऊपर की sides वाले side से लंबी है. So 2 sides are long and 2 are short. Now the fifth one. So which was the fifth shape? Semicircle. Now we are going to write semi, then a small colon and circle. So it's a semicircle. Now can you tell me what is the meaning of semicircle? Semicircle is half of the circle. So what we are going to do? We are going to draw a half circle like this. We also call it half circle or semicircle. Now the next one is diamond shape. So we are going to write diamond here. So like this we have written diamond, the name of the shape. Now I am going to draw. See, 1 slant line, 2 slant line, and we'll join them like this. So this is a diamond shape we have drawn. Clear all? Now the 7th one is, which is the 7th shape? Oval shape. Yes. So we are going to write oval now. So now can you tell me how I'm going to make oval? Like this. Circle हम equally गोल बनाते हैं, oval को थोड़ा सा long होता है ये. Okay. So now this is oval. Now which is the next shape we are going to write? Heart shape. So heart shape. How we are going to draw? Make a 3 like this and then a V. So the very simple way of making heart shape is this. First write a 3 like this and join it with a V shape. Okay. Now the last shape which we are going to write is star shape. Star. Now how to draw a star? The best way is draw one triangle like this and one triangle like this. So this is our star shape. Clear everyone? So you are going to write the names yourself, and I have also told you how you are going to draw these shapes. So write yourself and draw yourself. No one will take help from the parents. Clear how you have to do the work in notebook? So class, you have understood how you have to do this work in your notebook. Write the name of the shape, and with that you have to draw the shape also. So coloring the shape is all your choice. If you want, you can do coloring also in the shape. But yes, while writing the name of the shape, you have to draw that shape also. So do this work in your notebook neatly, beautifully in cursive and writing, because many of the students, around 5-6 students are sharing this work in not in the cursive and writing, rather in print format. So don't write in print format, you have to write in cursive, and no one will do this work in capital letters also. Some of you are writing it C-I-R-C-L-E. No, this is wrong. You will not write this. You have to write it in cursive format. Is that clear to all of you? Join letters with each other. This is how you will be able to write quickly and beautifully. So practice writing in